Everybody, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals, and I got a really amazing Harmony update and price prediction for April and May. So you guys need to buckle up and get ready to watch this amazing video. So it's going to be fantastic. I think you're going to like it. Right now Harmony is back down to just sub 15 cents again. I know a lot of people are panicking and going nuts, but it's okay. It's just part of the cycle. There needs to be a little bit of a consolidation, a little bit of leg down before we go up to the next level. I still think it's a really good coin. I think you guys should all get into it. So this is Daryl. Let's get into the charts and let me give you my price predictions. All right, everybody, let's dive right into the chart. As you can see here on my chart, Harmony is trading around about 15 cents right now, and something kind of interesting on the 4-hour chart here. The way I see it is I really see that we're forming a descending triangle. As you can see, we're making lower highs and lower lows. And you can see my blue line here is a line of resistance. And this seems to be the support line. So if we look here, basically let's zoom in. Harmony really needs to break out beyond this blue line if we're going to see any upside real soon. So you can see that Harmony has tested this resistance level once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, and you can see every time it hits this resistance level it gets a big rejection. And then we can see the support level here on this blue line. You can see that we had a big wick down here to this support level. I mean, I could even, some may argue that all this is this wick is an anomaly here. So if I move it here, you can still see that my support level is around about right there. So we really need to break out of this point. Otherwise, if we break below the support line, then we could see a 12 cent, 11 cent Harmony before we start to see any upside. So I really see this as a descending triangle on the 4-hour. So I'm a little bit bearish right now in the short term, but in the long term, I really believe that it's no problem to break out beyond this resistance level here. So in case you guys are wondering what a descending triangle is, a descending triangle is a bearish chart pattern, and it's created by drawing one trend line that connects a series of lower highs and the second horizontal trend that connects a series of lows. So you can see in the chart that's exactly what we did here. So if we look at this pattern, it's really a descending triangle, and that's really a bearish movement. So the key takeaways is a descending triangle is a signal for traders to take short position to accelerate the breakdown. A descending triangle is detectable by drawing trend lines for highs and lows on the chart. So you guys could go to Investortopia, and then you can start to understand how to do technical analysis. So what I think my long-term predictions are for the Harmony coin, I really see that once we break past this resistance level here, I think that we should have an upside, and I think that this upside should be, in my opinion, we should be looking at the next big move once we break this resistance level, next big move to around about 20, around about here. Let me just get it. So I'm thinking that around about here we should see a breakout to around about 20 should be our next target. So let me just draw that in for you. We change the color here. Let's go green because it's an upside. So I really believe that, you know, we're going to head up in this kind of fashion. Probably slowly we're going to go up probably till we hit 20 like that. And then once we hit 20, I think that there'll be some consolidation, you know, some consolidation around about this level, so we could see that we'll be going in a horizontal manner before we have our next breakout. So I think we could be trading, you know, within this zone here. So we could be trading within these zones right here. So I think that we are going to have a slow breakout, and that takes us to around about the 8th of April. We should be getting close to 1920, and then once we get to the 8th of April, then I can see that by the 10th we should be in between this range, between 20 and as low as 18,795. So that's where I predict a harmony going by the 8th, the 8th of April, 8th to 10th of April. So a high of, like I said, a high of 20, mid-range between 19 and I would say a low around 18.8, something around that area. And then there should be some consolidation. Around this area till probably around about the 15th of April, and then we should see our next leg up to around about 25. So that's my short-term price targets for Ethereum. My long-term price target that's a long-term price target for Harmony. I'm very bullish that by end of May we should be trading around 40 cents. By the end of April we should be comfortably at 30 cents based on, if I look at the technical analysis, if I look at the volumes. And also something else that's contributed to the low here in price has also, if you take a look at the volumes here, you can see that we've had really good volumes. You can see that we've really had some good volumes here. And then the volume is kind of, since we've hit Easter, you know, the end of March, you can see that the volumes have really started to die out, and the volumes continue to go down. Now the RSI is telling us that this is still undersold. So that's why, as I said, I think there's going to be some consolidation. The next leg up, we should see the volumes here picking up to around about this level. And when the volumes are at this level, we could see that we hit around about 20s, about 19 cents, 20 cents. So that's why I think that the volume is going to come back, and then we should hit my targets by the 8th of April of hitting back up to 20. And then we should consolidate there probably till the middle of the month between 21 and the low is 18 cents. And then as we get close to the end of April, we can probably see a bit of a parabolic move up to 30 cents. And then May by 40 cents. So that's basically my technical analysis. Take it for what it's worth. Remember, technical analysis is not a perfect science. This is crypto. Technical analysis is only as good until it goes wrong. So do your own research. This is not financial advice, guys. So it's very normal, guys, that when you have something that goes up in this parabolic direction, that it's going to have a bit of a correction. So I mean, I wouldn't worry about it. You know, if we zoom out even more, we can see that, you know, look at that. That's just like boom, parabolic. So, you know, it's not uncommon to see some consolidation. As you can see, this is my support level here on the 1 day. Some people may even say that's a bull flag. Yeah, maybe on the 1 day time frame it looks like a bull flag. So if that's the case, then my bullish target would be around about, if we take this and then draw this from here, we'd be looking at a breakout, probably, like I said previously, to about 20 cents. And that's going to happen on the 11th according to this chart. So between April 8th and April 11th, we should be back up to these levels again, based on this is a bull flag kind of formation here on the 1 day. And then on the 4-hour chart, once again, if we break out past these resistance level, we could see an upside to around about 20 cents. And yeah, that's happening, as I said, between the 8th and the 11th of April. So that's kind of in line on both the 4-hour and daily time. Hopefully you like the charts and the price predictions. I definitely believe that by the end of 2021, that Harmony should be around 90 cents to $1. I think April we're going to see a little bit more consolidation for a couple more days, maybe 5 more days, and then we're going to see that, as I said, Harmony is going to blast off and retest its all-time high of 22 cents. I think conservatively by April 30 we should be at 30 cents. May, I think we should be pushing past 40 cents, 41 cents. That's my price prediction. This is based on the RSI and other technical indicators. And not only that, I really think Harmony is a great project. It's got smart chain. It's got some really good things coming up in Q2. The Ethereum bridge, the BTC bridge, and I can see a lot of projects and dApps being built on the Harmony blockchain. So once again, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals. If you like this channel, please hit that like, subscribe, and also don't forget to see down below I have a number of discounts on trading fees, and you join up, you get some cash back for some of the wallets. And don't forget to scratch that little subscribe button right there. Scratch it, you want it, and subscribe. Please share this video on your social media. Peace out, everybody. Peace.